When it comes to the safety and protection we provide, there will be much the public will see and much the public won't see. And the bottom line is this. People will be safe on Monday, and they should feel safe too, because the NYPD and our law enforcement partners are prepared. This is going to be one of the most well-policed, best protected events at one of the safest venues in the entire world. And New York City will have another great New Year's Eve celebration, as we do every year.
Toys that a lot of people own. Now,
so you will see a lot of officers. You'll see a lot of officers with a lot of gear and long guns and the kinds of weaponry needed for securing such a huge event. There obviously will be measures you won't see as well.
With the drone, this is the first time we're going to be using it at a large-scale event, and as we go through the night, if the picture isn't clear, then we'll have to rely on aviation. We have had events in the past where there have been drones flown innocently over crowds, and we've been able to figure out where they come from and get the people to bring them back. So just don't, to anybody coming into the city, to New Yorkers, don't fly a drone that night. There's going to be millions of people out there. There's viewing areas for this. There's no need to fly a drone. And if you do fly one, there's a good chance you're going to end up getting arrested back in real time. That's something, obviously, that was brought to our attention, and that's why so it'll give us an expansive view from up above, which will be helpful.
And I'm guessing based on...
I'm not even answering the number of drones we're putting up there. I'm not going to tell you how powerful the camera is. Okay.
There are prohibited items. No backpacks, no large packages, no coolers, no umbrellas, no lawn chairs, no alcohol. Also at these entry points, you will see lights as well as officers with long guns, just to make sure that the event goes smoothly. We're going to have numerous amount of blocker cars, sand trucks, as well as cement barriers to make sure that the outer perimeters stay secure.
I think it's self-explanatory.